Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, the following bar and pie chart shows the expenses and revenues of a firm in crore from 1991 to 1994. Refer to the chart and answer the questions that follow. Given profit is equal to revenue minus expenses. Percentage profit is equal to profit as a percentage of expenses. Also, the distribution of revenue same for all 4 years is as shown above. For which year is the profit percentage maximum? Solution. Profit percentage for 1991 as given in the question, which says profit percentage is equal to profit as a percentage of expenses. Therefore, profit percentage for 1991 is equal to, from graph we can see that, revenue minus expenses upon expenses, which is equal to 120 minus 100 upon 100, which is equal to 20%. Similarly, for all the years, 1992 we can find out, which is equal to 40%. For 1993 we can find 25%, and for 1994 it is 50%. The highest profit percentage is for year 1994. Therefore, answer is option 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, the difference of revenues from repayment of loan in 1994 and interest in 1991 works out to be. Solution. From pie chart we can see that angle for interest is 240 degree and given angle for repayment of loan is 40 degree. Therefore, required difference can be calculated as, observing from graph we see that 240 is the angle of interest into 120, which is revenue in 1991, minus 40, which is the angle of repayment of loan, into 315, which is revenue for 1994. This difference is 80 minus 35, which is equal to 45 crores. Therefore, from options we see that answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, expenses in which year are equal to the revenue from interest? Solution. Expenses in 1994 is equal to 210 crores. Revenue from interest in 1994 is equal to 315 into 240 by 360, as we can see from the chart, which is equal to 210 crores. Therefore, expenses for 1994 is equal to revenue from interest. Therefore, answer is option 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, the total profit over the given 4 years as a percent of total expenses over the same period is greater than the percentage profit of how many of the given years? Solution. Total profit is 20 plus 60 plus 35 plus 105, which is calculated from the graph. This is rupees 220 crores. Total expenses is 100 plus 150 plus 140 plus 210. All these values are found out from graph. This total is equal to rupees 600 crores. Percentage is equal to 220 by 600 into 100, which is equal to 36.67%. Earlier we found out all the values of percentage profit, and therefore we can say that it is greater than 2 values. Therefore, answer is option number 2. Thank you.